We're now mulching this wax myrtle hedge adjacent to the culinary garden. And the Steve Tobin show is about to open, visiting sculpture installation. So what we've done here is remove broken branches, any branches that were buried from initial planting. Done a little grading, make sure it's no lumps in the clay soil. And then the key thing we did is to selectively thin and reduce the height so that it had a unified height. So from a distance, it reads as the beginnings of a hedge. So this is an example here. A header cut on the inside, and then what's left, these were not pruned. So from a distance, it reads as quite an even hedge, actually. And each plant was a different height. Some were more vigorous than others. And like this one, there was quite a vigorous stem that we reduced. The rest of the plant is not that full. There was another vigorous one, but overall it reads as roughly the same height. And mulching's begun, and that's a process with some cleanup that's going to occur at the end, of course. There's a tag I missed. Always good to double check. But you can see it reads relatively at the same height. And so from a distance, it's probably within roughly 6 inches, give or take. And so that's close enough for something this size. It's about 5 feet tall.